Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to F&D Outdoors. Got the hammock all set up here with my sleeping bag. Should be about 34 degrees overnight. I'm here at the 2019 Michigan Bushcraft Spring Gathering, and we're gonna have ourselves a good weekend. We got gym set up right there and a little shelter and tons of people here. So just kind of a preview of the landscape here at the Michigan Bushcraft Spring Gathering. Got a lot of things going on. A lot of knife displays, shelter building, got knots, natural cordage and weaving, flint knapping, blacksmithing. We have woodworking and axe handle carving, and then just some of the vendors from Ben's Backwoods, MITAC supplies. We got a couple other knife sales, good stuff. Travis here from Devil's River Adventure Gear. Adventure Gear. There we go. Look at these. Got Fabian here, works for Fall Raven, repping a lot of their brands here. Now, I know this is the Stump, but what is that model bag?
Steuben.
The Steuben.
This trap is called an MB550. It's a coil spring like that one.
Edge of the weed beds is a really good spot to fish for pike. They will lie in the weeds waiting like a spring, waiting for something to go by, and they'll attack with such ferocity that that's why I fish pike.
They're maniacs.
This is Obsidian from Glass Buttes, Oregon.
Okay.
This piece is, there's a few other kinds of things in here too, but I went out there to the Glass Buttes last year, and that was a really cool trip. It's got like a, almost like a hologram.
Absolutely, it comes nice through.
You don't always need a tool to build shelter. Even if you don't have paracord, you can find, you can make an A-frame, and that's what I did in Mongolia. You make an A-frame out of a couple of forked sticks, and then you have a ridge pole that comes out back like this. So you've got forks and a ridge pole, and then you build off of that. So you don't need tools to build a debris shelter. I tell kids, go out in the woods and do this with no tools, no adults, and they can totally do it.
As a rule of thumb, you do not cut with a hatchet beyond halfway up the handle.
Cut this for the bowl that I'm going.
We launched the latest of any season on Vancouver Island, and we had the worst weather. So those guys lasted the longest of anybody on Vancouver Island, and they had the worst weather and the latest launch and the coldest season.
I just want to say that show is so psychological and mental that I think I said this in the shelter class. One of the best things you could ever take away from a gathering like this or listening to us, hopefully, is to be adaptive. And as long as you're adaptive and inventive,
Absolutely.
and that really is almost more important than any skill. That will keep you out there, and it'll keep you finding ways to solve your problems, whatever problem that may be. So if you're stuck in a book knowledge, and this is how it's supposed to be done, it doesn't serve you well. You need to go out and do it, so it's not hypothetical anymore. So best advice is just go do it. But alone is a calorie game as well, and getting food for reals in a situation is so much harder than you'd ever imagine. Trying to feed yourself to keep yourself sustained, it's almost impossible. You're going to be losing weight because you can't find carbohydrates, can't find a loaf of bread growing in nature. Unfortunately, they still.
What we really could have used is a wood stove and a 22.
Yeah, exactly.
Easy set.
And a boat.
Right. If you had a boat and a crab pot and a 22 and a wood stove, you'd be set up. Exactly.
You're defined by the boundaries of what you're allowed to harvest on the show.
This is what we call sil nylon. Nylon is technically with silicone to make it water. Regular nylon is woven. Woven. This stuff is water.
It's a war bonnet ridge runner. Kind of an interesting design.
Are what they call hammock cotton. The hotness of what we use when we're winter trekking or winter camping. Pulls whatever under my feet, so I've just used my ridge rest down there, and it covers as a seat cover.
Your hand? That's Bushcrafting 101, right? Big fire. All right. Well, it's pretty late. Nice group campfire, which I didn't record anything yesterday, the first night. But great turnout today. And, nice campfire. Some more activities in the morning. We're heading out of town. Thanks for checking out. Good night. Oh man, slept in.
That's what I'm saying about eating it too hot.
All right, just leaving the Bushcrafting, Michigan Bushcraft 2019 Spring Gathering. Got this awesome made striker, as you may have seen, from Brent Cole. And just grabbed some chert and flint. So, fun times. Thanks for watching. And subscribe there.